ครับ Welcome to our channel, Tied Together,
where we document what it's really like to live and travel in Thailand.
If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button down over in the corner. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and as ever, leave a comment, let us know what you think.
Yeah, and in today's video, we're taking Paul to take a driving license test in Thailand.
Yeah, so future videos, if you see me driving, it's all legal and above board, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to take you through the process of what to do, but first of all, I need to go and get in line, don't I?
Yeah, let's go.
We are inside the tent now. This is where I was queuing up earlier, which took about an hour and a half, didn't it, the wait?
Yeah.
After you have waited, you get called up to the desk at the front. You present your documents, they check you've got all the right things. Once you get that, you get given your number, and then you get given a time that you must go into the government building. Now, it took about an hour and a half to queue this morning, and then it takes about an hour and a half to wait for your time slot. And then you go over into the building, which is where I'm going to go into the minute. So we've been waiting around for that hour and a half now. We're going to head off inside now. Obviously, we cannot film inside there because it's a government building. And we'll catch up with you later and I'll let you know how that went. For you guys, it's not been too long since we checked in with you, but for us, it's been a little bit of a while, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I took notes as we went around because I know that anything in Thailand kind of goes a little bit long-winded, doesn't it? So I'm just going to explain what we did. So when you go in, you queue on the ground floor and get your paperwork back that you handed in. Then you go up to the second floor, you get another number and you queue there, and then that's when they check all the paperwork, and that took a little while, didn't it?
Yeah.
After that, you go up to the third floor, you get another number, and you stand in front of the TV, and normally what it is they give you instructions about the test that you have to do. I didn't get to watch the video. I literally got pulled straight in because I was the last person to turn up, and we all went through.
Yeah, it's quite simple in a way.
Yeah, you queue up and you go around the little corner and they flash up a series of 6 traffic lights. So they'll be in any order. So it's like basically you just have to call out red, yellow, green. But if you look at a traffic light, the green could appear up in the red. Just make sure you call out the right colour. After that, you go over to this little brake test thing, test your reactions. You have to press down on the accelerator. Don't do what I did. Once again, I didn't get to see the video, so I was just tapping the accelerator, waiting for the beam to go up, but that never happened. You have to keep your foot down on the beam, and it literally just rises up, and you have to make sure you press the brake. After that, you have to go up to the 4th floor. You get another number, and then you go into the lecture room, and you have to watch a video that lasts about half an hour. Interesting. Take notes. It's good. After that, you go back down to the 2nd floor, back down to the floor we told about you earlier, where you have to check the paperwork.
And overall the process costs
£5, and I know it's long-winded, you get 5 hours, but at least everything is done on the day. Unlike anybody out there in the UK, I don't know how it works in Australia or in America, but anybody in the UK knows all the form filling, and then you have to send it off.
Yeah.
That's it from us today.
Yeah, thanks a lot for watching.
That's the instructions on how to get your Thai driver's license when you've already got a driver's license from the UK and or your home countries. If you like the video, please press like. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And as ever, please make sure you smash that subscribe button in the corner to see more from us.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Bye.